What's up, guys? It's your boy Jaime G coming at you on this Thursday afternoon. Hopefully every single one of you guys is having a blessed day hanging with your loved ones wherever you're at in this beautiful world that we live in. Guys, I'm here to let you guys know what's going on in the wild west of crypto land, guys. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. We're going to look at the charts, briefly talk about some levels of resistance and support. Then we're going to get into the main subject, guys, which is bullish as all get up, in my opinion, and can act as an extreme positive catalyst, right, guys, for Doge, right? Because it's you had VITALIK BUTERIN talking about Ethereum and Dogecoin possibly partnering up and being able to make transaction speeds faster, so on and so forth, through loopering. Well, guess what, guys? It has happened. Loopering has made it happen. So we're going to dive into that article here in a brief second, guys. And we're going to touch on another article that talks about another new partnership for Doge. Now, if you're new to the channel, please consider to like and subscribe. Don't forget about my giveaway of $300 of crypto when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you like free crypto, what you waiting for? Hit that subscription bell. None of this is financial advice, guys. It's just your boy yip yapping on YouTube, nothing more, nothing less. And now let's briefly dive into the crypto markets and see what's going on. All right, as we can see, guys, Bitcoin, well, overall, first of all, look at the whole markets, guys. Everything is in the red. We're having a bloody day, guys. Bloody day. Yesterday was a bloody day too. Bitcoin's down. You know, we need good old Grandpa Bitcoin to be up, guys, if we want the markets to continue. As you can see, when Bitcoin is in the red, pretty much the overall markets are in the red as well. That's why it's extremely important. So let's just briefly see what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin is currently at 37,685 with 62 cents. It is down 4.10%, guys. We had a 24-hour high of 39,414, 24-hour low of 37,682. Market cap is $706 billion, and volume in the last 24 hours is sitting at $37.61 billion. All right, guys. So now let's dive right into this bullish article that I was talking about. It says Dogecoin Ethereum collaboration is here. Loopering says has made VITALIK BUTERIN's suggestion a reality. So, guys, they're saying that it has happened and they made it happen. This is freaking bullish, guys. It says Loopering said that meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin is now available on Ethereum layer 2 via Doge, noting that the move is in line with Ethereum co-creator VITALIK BUTERIN's suggestion. What happened? Loopering, an Ethereum layer 2 scaling protocol, said on Twitter that deposits are now open for liquidity provider tokens for the Doge Ethereum pair. Right, and this is here is their tweet, right? And we're gonna see here real quick what VITALIK had to say.
I mean, I personally think that, if Doge wants to somehow bridge to Ethereum and then people can trade Doge thousands of times a second inside of Loopering, then, that would be amazing. I personally think that, if Doge wants to somehow bridge to Ethereum and then people can trade Doge thousands of times a second inside of Loopering, then, that would be amazing.
All right, guys. So you hear it from the co-founder himself that that'd be amazing. And guess what? They made it happen, right, guys? That is huge, right? Then it goes to say Ethereum layer 1 can handle about 15 transactions per second, while some layer 2 projects are ample to ramp it up to 4,000 transactions per second. That is huge, guys. From 15 transactions to 4,000. That is extremely huge, right? It says Doge is one-for-one representation of Dogecoin on Ethereum's blockchain. It has launched in January by Ren, an open protocol that works to enable the movement of value between blockchains. The Open Doge Decentralization Application, or DApp, allows people to mint and burn Doge on Ethereum. Why it matters. It says Buterin said earlier this month that he loves Dogecoin and suggested collaboration between the Shiba Inu themed cryptocurrency and Ethereum for scalability. If Doge wants to somehow bridge Ethereum and the people can trade Dogecoin thousands of times a second, which we've seen in the video and what he just said, right? Now it says the Ethereum co-creator had noted in a blog post last month that Tesla, Elon Musk, wished for Dogecoin may encounter technical roadblocks, noting that there were important but quite suitable technical factors that limit blockchain scaling. All right, guys, let me see here. Yep. So that's what they had, right? Then it gets to think. So, guys, this here is huge, right? This is one of the things that I had for you guys. This is extremely huge, guys, because now you can do almost up to 4,000 transactions per second as opposed to the 15 per second. This is huge, right? And we're going to briefly touch right here, guys. Just real quick, I wanted to touch on this again. It says WAG goes to the Doge via BitPay, right? Now, WAG, which is an online, which is a dog store, right, guys? You can look it up yourself if you want to, right? It says, they had this to say. It says, in today's world, that includes accepting many forms of payments, and we're very excited to have integrated crypto into the WAG platform to make it easier for people to pay however they please, said Garnett Smallwood, CEO of WAG. Plus, how could we not accept Dogecoin as a form of payment? WAG will accept cryptocurrency supported by BitPay in exchange for credits, which will also be gifted to other WAG users via email. This is huge, guys. You know what I mean? It's just another another notch on Doge's belt, right? Another company to the list on top of the 1,400 that they already accept Doge. This is huge, right? And then there's over 180 ATMs nationwide, right, here in the United States, where you can buy Doge via ATMs, right? That is huge, guys. Little by little, right? We continue to keep seeing more adoption, right? It's just huge. Like I continue to say, we're in the beginning steps, guys. All right, now let's briefly look at the charts here, guys. See what Dogecoin is doing. It is currently at 30 cents, guys, right? And it ain't because of anything bad, right, guys? There's a lot of positive catalysts for Doge right now, right, coming up in the near and foreseeable future, guys. It's just the overall markets are down, Bitcoin's down, and the markets are down. We're currently down 2.89%, considering Bitcoin's down 4%, guys. We are down at 2%, right, guys? So that's something positive to look at. And not just that, guys. We've been holding steady and strong at this 30 cents area of resistance that we'll talk about here in a second. This 30 cents level of resistance has been holding, guys, for about 5 weeks. All right, so our 24-hour high is at 31 cents. Our 24-hour low is at 30 cents. Market cap is sitting at $39.5 billion. And volume is down, guys. It's gone way down. We are sitting at very low volume at $1.1 billion, right? That is low, man. We need more volume, right? But it's just the overall markets and all, guys. It's just nothing because of Doge. All right, guys. Now let's dive into the charts real quick and see what's going on here. Okay, guys. So as you can see, we're in the weekly chart. Okay. Let me open this up a little bit more if I can. So I've drawn a box. I've drawn. Sorry, I can't. I'm all tongue-tied. If you can see, guys, I have a box here. Okay, guys, which is at the bottom of the box is at 30 cents. Okay, and every single one of these weeks, candles rather, represents a week. Okay, so we're going to be looking from the big candle to the right. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks that we're looking at. So as you can see, guys, on my bottom line, okay, it goes as far as back to the very big red weekly candle all the way to the weekly candle that is for this week, right? So for 5 weeks, this 30 cents area has been holding strong and steady as a level of support, which is good, guys, considering that we were just at like 4 to 5 cents back in January, right? So this is something positive to look at it and bullish, in my opinion, right? Considering to a lot of the other coins that have dipped really low. Okay, now as you can see on the top, now we're going to look at the two last weekly candles, guys. As you can see, I'm on top of the weekly candle, and the weekly candle on next to it, right? I am underneath it. So, guys, right? So that's where my box is drawn. Okay, guys. So for 2 weeks, guys, we've been ranging, right, between 30 and 32 cents, right? Ranging, in other words, consolidating, right? And consolidating, for those of you that don't know, means trading sideways. The price is going sideways, boring, blah blah blah, right? So when it's trading sideways, guys, it's because it's undecisive on what it wants to do, right? On whether it wants to spring to the upside or break to the downside. And we're hoping that it's gonna break to the upside, since it's been consolidating for quite some time, right, guys? To me, it's just like a spring just continuing to get pushed down, and it's just ready to just spring up, right? So my level of resistance, guys, for you guys is at around the 30 cents, guys. Okay, so that is a key area to look out for, is the 30 cents. Now let's I'm gonna get into the level of support here, guys. So as you can see here, right now, I'm going to draw a line here. All right, let me erase that line here now. Okay, now you can see I've drawn another box here, guys. So now, as you can see, my white line that I've drawn, it is on top of the green weekly candle, and then the candle next to it, right? To the right side of it, right, guys? I am sitting on top of that, guys. So that represents 2 weeks. Okay, now if you look on the left side of the green candle, I'm on top of the wick there as well, guys. So basically for the past 3.5 weeks, almost 4 weeks, guys, since today is Thursday, almost 4 weeks, right guys? This level of 37 cents has been a very, very strong level of resistance for us. Okay guys, we had briefly breached it and went up to that 44 cents, right, when we had that Coinbase Pro listing, right? And then we pulled back down and retraced all the way back down to 37 cents. And then we pulled back down even further to the 30 to 32 cents area where we've been pretty much consolidating. So the key takeaway from all this, guys, is 37 cents is a level of resistance, and around the 30 cents area is our level of support. Now, that's what I had for you guys today, guys. Hopefully, you guys found this video useful. If you did, and you're new to the channel, please consider to like and subscribe. And don't forget about my giveaway. And you guys stay tuned for a video later on this evening, guys. Stay safe and stay blessed. Your boy, Jaime G, out. Peace.